We see your screen.
Yeah, can you see my screen? Yeah, okay, thank you.
Yes, we do.
Hello, yeah, hello everyone. I'm MD Rezwan Hasan. I'm from University of Kent. I am the ESR 6 of this PRIMA project. I'll be supervised by Dr. Farzin Deravi and Dr. Richard Guest. The topic of my project is biometric identity hiding, obfuscation, and de-identification. So if we go ahead with the next slides, see, actually from Bangladesh. In terms of my career, like previously, I have worked as a lecturer in a Bangladeshi university. I have also worked as a software engineer both in China and in Bangladesh. Then, in terms of my educational history, I have done my master's degree in computer science from a Chinese university, that is Nanjing University of Science and Technology, where I studied in a Chinese government scholarship program. Before that, I have graduated my bachelor degree in computer science from a Bangladeshi university, which is Assamla University of Science and Technology. Then, in terms of my research experiences in my previous research, I have worked in like a facial liveness detection or anti-spoofing projects, and I have also worked in publishing different kind of data on the web. Then, in terms of my this project, that we already know that the biometric identity hiding or de-identification. So, like every day, like we people go to many places unknowingly we are giving our privacy informations. Suppose we are going to a super shop or a train station or anywhere that there are many surveillance cameras or CC cameras. So we are giving our privacy information without even knowing or without our consent. So this is a issue for this project. So our objectives in this project would be to investigate the emerging and future approaches both at the presentation and sensor level for biometric identity hiding. So the current and future possibilities in this area, the performance evaluation for different modalities in this area, and we'll be also looking for some hybrid approaches investigation. So like the users and the systems both should have a both way communication to make a system or any kind of thing a more like privacy oriented, the privacy how the privacy can be protected more robustly. Then you see like the expected results from this project is to like we'll try to propose identity protection methodologies both at the sensor and presentation level for a different range of modalities it can be like biometric modalities like facial recognition, fingerprint, vein, or gait recognitions, different kind of modalities. And try will try to develop a collaborative techniques for identity preservations. We'll try to find out the methodologies and metrics for assessing the effectiveness of this kind of identity hiding and protection methodologies or techniques. So like recently we have seen like different kind of biometric identity hiding techniques. So we're going to share some of the identity hiding popular identity hiding techniques which already done. So like here we can see that it is actually a little bit older, but it was popular. It was developed by proposed by New York University researchers in 2010. Like they have used different kind of makeups to protect themselves from the surveillance cameras or identity recognition cameras. They have used actually this method was done actually on a single method to protect them, like single facial detection algorithm. Then we can see that this is a actually privacy. They are calling it privacy visor. This is developed by some Japanese researchers. This is actually wearing glasses. By wearing these glasses, they use some light absorbing or reflecting materials to hide themselves from a recognition camera. So there's mostly are facial recognition cameras. So they've also like shown that they have accurate more than 90% accuracy when wearing the glasses to hide from the cameras. There are more techniques like some people in Netherlands they have proposed an idea of wearing a headband with projectors. Like the idea was to like project a light in the in a face, human face, to like show a different face on a human. So by this way, a human can or a person can protect them from the surveillance cameras. So all are for this kind of like this one is a like a plastic mask. This is also used to protect the identity. And this is, you can see that anonymity scarf. This scarf, by wearing this scarf, like this is many printed faces. By giving the facial recognition systems many like lots of information to confuse the recognition systems to protect themselves. And here you can see that people in Fudan University, China, they have developed a cap with infrared lights. By using this infrared lights, they are also able to hide a person from a recognition camera. So in their system, they have accurate, like almost 100% accuracy, but their experiments are very limited. And because and there's like using infrared light is also not like proven to be healthy for like without any medical issues. So these are still a source of research, like these are not already proven. So like you can see that another technique in KU11 University, like they have used a cardboard plate and some adversarial patches printed on a cardboard plate to hide themselves from surveillance cameras. So by this way, they have also able to like you can see here that without the patch, a person is easily identified, but when he is wearing the patch, he is not able to, people are not able, like the cameras are not able to identify a person. So this kind of techniques can be more advanced if we like, if we without carrying the patch, if we can print the patches in the t-shirt, then we can make someone invisible to the cameras. By this way, you can protect the person from the surveillance cameras. Then we can see that another techniques, that there are all sorts of techniques like in this technique, these people like actually they are wearing sticker in their cheeks to like it's a kind of QR code type sticker to in their cheeks to hide from the cameras. This is also actually tested in some limited facial detection systems. Now, those are the facial recognition systems. Like there's, but not only the facial recognition systems are like for the identity hiding. There are more recognition systems. Like this is for gait recognition systems. So some people developed some attacking methodology for gait recognition systems in Beiyang University, China. They have developed using a generative adversarial network, the GAN-based approach to attack a gate recognition system. They have uses actually some loss functions. Like these are the technical issues. This like it is we are describing it and shortly. So this method is also performed well in like state of the art like recognition gate recognition systems like GateSet or CNN gate recognition systems performed well in this recognition systems, able to attack successfully hide people from acquiring gate recognition. Then we can see that in this method also this is the same kind of thing actually, but using a little bit different like methodologies. These are developed by Chinese Academy of Sciences, and recently they have also used the GAN-based approach to like use it to generate adversarial high quality gate shields to hide or to protect a person from giving their gate recognition. This is also performed in the state of the art gate recognition system, that is GateSet. This is very popular recognition technology method, and they tested in Cassia dataset. This is also popular, so it also performed well in this dataset. Then just see, like initially, like we analyzing, like our plan is to like analyze the existing methodologies or techniques for identity hiding and protection of the methods, how we can hide people from different kind of recognition systems. Then we are also planning to experiment by combining different modalities. Like we can initially we can start from face and gait recognition, combining those two things together to analyze the performance, how we can more robustly hide people from recognition systems. Then we are also planning to propose hybrid methodologies, which kind of require both way communications. Like a user is out from his home, he's in front of different kind of cameras, but he can like provide some kind of signal to the recognition systems that he wants to hide her identity. She don't want to reveal her identity. So the system, if you can make a system, the system using the signal can manipulate those accurate images to protect his identity. So these are the initial plans to hide people or give more protection to the people. So thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rezwan.
Thank you. Thank you.